And hi everyone. In March 2019, 111 schools in the Pasir Gudang district were shut down for 2 weeks following chemical pollution of Sungai Kim Kim. The dumping of chemical substances on March 6 causes 5,848 people to seek medical treatment after inhaling toxic fumes from the river.
The airborne pollution that occurs in Pasir Gudang district is mainly caused by the leftover chemical waste in Sungai Kim Kim, which it was supposed to be cleaned by the responsible industries should be cleaned in about 3 months ago. The initial investigation found that the cleaning contractor assigned to clear the waste did not do their job thoroughly to clear out the hazardous waste.
Next, lately the weather has been hot and caused the chemical waste down into the Kim Kim River and react with water and heat to produce toxic gases that can affect public directly. There are a few toxic gases, which is acrylonitrile, xylene, methane, and toluene. Several toxic gases were emitted following the interaction of the chemicals concerned with water and air.
The river pollution not only affects on human health, but it also can harm our environment. Kim Kim River is considered as dead river because there is no life in the river. High concentration of chemical waste discharge will become toxic to the aquatic animals as it can damage their internal organs. So it will increase the death of aquatic animals. Moreover, the chemical waste and pollutant discharge in chemical river disrupt the food chain as the pollutant are eaten by small animals. Then these small animals are eaten by big fish, who are then eaten by birds or mammals, including people. Lastly, this river pollution also will cost a lot of money because the more polluted the river, the higher the cost of treating and purifying the water.
Consequences of substances such as methane. It is highly flammable and may form explosive with water. If you have been exposed to large amounts of methane, the oxygen level in your body may be lower to a point where it may damage your internal organs. Another substance is hydrogen cyanide, which is very toxic. It disrupts the way how organ system use oxygen. It may cause deadly effects for organs that require a constant supply of oxygen, including the brain, heart, blood vessels, and lungs.
But the central issue here, which will remain unresolved, is the pollution of Malaysia's river by licensed and unlicensed factories, wet markets, livestock farms, restaurants, food stalls, squatters, and even individuals who dispose of their rubbish indiscriminately. As long as humans do not regard the river as a living entity that plays a very important role in their lives, the pollution issue will persist. It is important that communities be made aware of river pollution. This is because rivers are our source of water, without which we cannot possibly live. It is recommended that reports of scientific monitoring data should be treated with high importance, and governing bodies should be working closely with those researchers for the benefits of public at large. Any suspected sources of illegal dumping of chemical wastes into our waterways should be closely monitored, and polluters should be penalized. Stricter laws and regulations with effective management of clean river sustainability can be implemented. Therefore, it is highly recommended that polluters pay principle should be fully adopted by all means in Malaysia once our rivers are found with scientific proofs of hazardous chemical contamination. This principle is the commonly accepted practice that those who produce pollution should bear the cost of managing it to prevent damage to human health or the ecosystem health. Finally, it is to be noted that any complaints from the public should be taken into serious consideration for further actions by the Malaysian Department of Environment. This is important so as to avoid the repetition of the same environmental disaster at Kim Kim River pollution in other DOE-identified polluted rivers in Malaysia. Perhaps this is the main lesson to be learned. Thank you.